Welcome to How to Solve.
Hey, it's me again. How to fix page isn't available right now on Facebook. First is you're going to click on the settings of your phone, scroll down, and you're going to find there the application settings on your phone. It works on your iPhone or your Android. So you have here apps, tap on it, and you can search your Facebook app. You can just type it down there and just simply tap on search or just scroll it down and find the Facebook application. If you find it, just tap on it and go to mobile data. So first, let's go to mobile data and just toggle it down. Okay, just tap on it. And after that one, you go back and tap on storage. And then you just have to click the clear data on the bottom or the clear cache. It will make the application in your phone reinstalled again. And that's it. Follow for more.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.